Take two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my cousin Adriana, and we're gonna make some brownies. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now we're gonna see everything that we need. It says we need 2 tablespoons of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And this is only for the brownie batter. And then for the cookie dough, we need 3 tablespoons of butter and then 2 tablespoons of water. But I like to substitute it with milk instead of water. Now you're gonna have to go get the stuff. So now we need the eggs. We need 1 egg actually.
How many?
Just 1.
Okay.
So we got 1 egg. What else? We need vegetable oil and milk.
Okay.
You get the milk and the vegetable oil. We have this set up here.
We got the milk and oil.
What else we're missing?
Butter.
Butter.
Got butter. The whole pack.
Okay, now we're going to open the box. See.
I'm gonna move this box.
The struggle.
Oh. I'm gonna.
Okay, she got
I
it.
did that all by own. Oh.
We got the
Whatever that is.
that's the chocolate chip cookie mix. And then the brownie mix. Okay, so she's gonna start with the brownie mix. That's Sunny. That's a hamster. Sunny. And then Saturn somewhere over there.
I'm pretty sure I need scissors to open this.
Mhm.
I'm gonna go get the scissors. Yeah. Okay. So now, just dump it over. All of it?
Yes. Look at that. Oh. Look at that, guys.
Now mixing next.
Now, what's next?
I'm pretty sure there's milk, oil. Oh no, oil.
So yeah, we're gonna substitute
then
it
the
with
egg.
milk. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. Let's see.
Oh my god, my shaky. That don't look like 2 tablespoons.
We don't have a measuring cup.
Could this work?
No, this is 1/3 cup. So
Okay, so.
I guess that's all you want to stop. Stop.
I feel so special.
Okay, Nadia. Let's see.
That was perfect.
Perfect. Saturn. Hi, girl. we trust the progress.
Wow, it's already getting dark.
Looks good.
Of course it looks good. I'm mixing it.
Okay. Look at that.
I have to check the sides.
Okay, so guess how many stores we went to just to find this?
6.
No, literally. 6 stores just to find this cookie brownie. Because I didn't want the regular one. Like, I already had the regular brownie. But I wanted the cookie one. Because it's like so much different. And we got it with ice cream too.
Mm.
So, we got this vanilla ice cream. Because we're gonna put it right on top of that brownie. And it's gonna be so good. You're
Like
gonna
me.
see it at the end of the video. So she's done with the brownie mix. So now I'm gonna do the cookie mix. I feel like this is the hardest because this one has to be like really specific, like texture. Let me see. that. Looks so good. Now, like we substituted the water, so I guess 2 tablespoons again. It has to be really thick. 1, 2. I like to have a little bit more just in case. Okay. And now we need 3 tablespoons of butter. So this is already, as you can see, this is already 2.5. So we just need a little bit more. I'll open it in one. Okay, so I already cut a little bit of the piece missing. I'm gonna put the rest. So I put the butter for 1 minute in the microwave so it can melt, so it can be easier to mix. Now let me just clean up a little bit. It's melted. Okay. That's way easier because like this we can actually mix it better.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Oh Lord. It's a struggle. It's a struggle. It's supposed to be thick, but not that thick.
I don't even think it's mixing right.
Yeah, it's not supposed to look like that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add some more milk. I don't know what happened. Oh no, I think there's too much milk. Okay. I think this might work out. Or not. Okay. Got everything. Told you guys, this is the hardest part. I don't think I could have used a whisk. Okay, guys. Hello?
New strategy. New strategy.
Yes, because I don't know what happened. I don't know what was that. I don't know. Guys, I promise you, I can bake. I don't know what happened. Okay. Okay, guys. Usually this is easier, but I don't know what's going on. Guys, please, in the comments, is it supposed to look like that? Go. Okay, guys. I think this is good. I think. What do you guys think? I mean, it's supposed to be like that, right? Yeah, add some more milk. Gotta be creative. Just a tiny nudge. Okay, it's ready. Okay, guys. All right. Now the best part. Let's put this away. Okay, guys. We can use this one to spray it. On the side, especially.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's kind of small.
I know. Okay, so she's gonna put the brownie mix first.
Oh.
Put extra. Looks good. Looks good.
I should not be the one doing this. I'm so... I can't take myself away from me.
Okay, guys, we went through a lot just to get this. So this batter tastes good. Like,
Of course it's gonna take it.
of course, we did it.
Could you help me with the rest? Oh, shoot. Thank you.
Ah.
Good.
Guys, no chocolate left behind. I really don't know how. Oh, I need the spoons. Okay, so now I'm gonna put everything here. Let's see, hopefully this is gonna be good. Guys, we had a mid-crisis. I thought I was doing this wrong. But no, I'm okay. We're okay. It's like this. And this. This is gonna be the best cookie brownie we've ever made. And the first. Hopefully not the last. Okay. Okay, guys. Trying my best here. Guys, it does not look pretty now, but once it's baked, I really hope it looks better.
Okay, so guys, this is how it looks. I actually think it looks pretty good. It doesn't look as messed up, but it still looks delicious and tasteable.
We're gonna see when we bake it. Hopefully it's much better looking than that. Hopefully we get something like that.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Top. Hey guys, here's the brownie. And now we're gonna just add ice cream. It's gonna be perfect. Okay. I'm gonna cut a piece. Okay guys, look at that. Wow. Put it here. Okay, now the ice cream is already open because of course we had to try it. Now, scoop. Look at that. It's perfect. Okay guys, she tried the brownie. How is it?
It's good, though.
It's really good. Now it's my turn. There's my piece. Alright guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching and
Like and subscribe and share.
share. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.